Welcome back to ADHD Whiskey. My name is Matt, and tonight we're unboxing a special gift sent to me from a special man and his special wife. We're talking about the Cook family. The cook who got the look. The cooks who got the looks. The cooks who got the schmucks. That's all I'm saying. I just want to say thank you to Mike Cook for reaching out saying, I want to send you a care package. And he cared to send me this package, and I cared so much to accept it. So, thank you, Mike Cook, for this box of care. I love it already. He said he's going to send me a bottle. So, I don't know what it is. I want to do a blind tasting of a bottle he sent me, but how? How is that possible? You're going to see what it is. You're going to know what's in the box. You're going to know what's in here. If you open it, how are you going to do a blind tasting? Well, I thought about that. I'm going in. Find the seam without finding my pecker. Don't cut your wiener off. It's not. It's like a steak. This is a mistake, pretty sure. Nope, it's not gonna be it. I don't even remember which way the box flipped. Don't know what that is. I'll set it aside. I don't know what that is either. That's not a bottle though. I found something. I found something. I think the box is empty now. Okay. Alright. Let's see. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is. Let's see. What are you? This is a friggin' extra blind, super blind tasting. This is how you blind taste. And if you don't know about that, then your name isn't Mike Cook. Where did I put my glass? Don't break it. Just find it. Just find it. I don't know if this is a bourbon, or a rye, or a scotch, or an Irish, or a wine. Should I long pour it? It's probably a bad idea. Let's see. Here you go. I feel like something came out. What the heck? Nothing came out? How is that possible? Did I spill it? No. What the heck is happening? completely lost. But won't anything come out? Come on. What's going on? Is it something there now? What the heck? Is there anything in this glass? Oh yeah, it's swirling. Not much in there, I don't think. But a little. Okay, I gotta go a little more. It's hard to tell. What the heck? Am I spilling it everywhere? That'd be so bad. No, not spilling it. Now where'd the bottle go? Found it. Okay. Come on now. I can hear it glugging. Oh, there it is. No, not much. Okay, we got some. Oh, that smells strange. That smells extra sweet. What is this? Extra sweet. This could be poison. Oh, licorice Laffy Taffy. Oh, like a strawberry Laffy Taffy. It is. Ultra sweet. I don't think there's much in here though. Unless it's full. No, my fingers all the way down are not gonna. Let's see. So there's a little more. A little more. I'm gonna overfill it. There, I heard it. I heard it splish. Like a grape Laffy Taffy. A grape Laffy Taffy. This has got a funny feeling thing on the thing. I can feel it. It's funny feeling. Huh. Huh. Is this a scotch? No, it can't be a scotch. It's a grape Laffy Taffy in a glass. Grape Laffy Taffy. A little bit of maple syrup. But it smells like a grape / strawberry Laffy friggin' mother friggin' Taffy. Oh. Oh wow. Whatever this is delicious. What did you send me? I have no guesses as to what this is. But it's really good. It's super sweet. It tastes like it's about 100 and... Let me try again. Oh wow. I quite like this. You're very heavy too. It's a tall bottle with a thing in the middle. It's like a bullseye. That Laffy Taffy kind of comes through as well. A little bit of apple. It's super sweet. It's amazing. This is really good. 110 proof. 110 proof. Distillery? What distillery? I have no clue. MGP maybe? Maybe it's an MGP or something. Because I get a little bit of the licoricey taffy kind of taste, smell to it. Oh, that's really bright. Oh, hell yeah. It's a smoke wagon. I should have known about that. Oh, you really gotta tip it. You really gotta tip it. It's got a nice thumb holder. Mike Cook, thank you so much. I wanted one of these really bad. What's the proof? This is uncut, unfiltered, straight bourbon whiskey. I don't even know what these things cost. Barrel strength. What's the proof? Government warning, blibbity blah. I'm going to have to do a full review on this. Bourbon whiskey, Las Vegas. 57.68. 115 proof. I think I said like 110 or so. I was pretty close on that. Thank you so stinking much. Oh. Cheers, dingo, dango, dongo. Where does this come from? Who does number 2 work for? Proudly made in the USA, distilled in Indiana. So it's gotta be MGP. What's the age on it? Do they have the age? Is this a single barrel? No, this is a small batch. It's gotta be. Damn. Thank you so much. Hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Oh no. A bag of cookies. I started keto today. Son of a bitch. America. Hell yeah. This is exciting for me. Sorry. Hello. Who knew starting a whiskey channel would mean people would just send free whiskey? Does it also work for cookies? Welcome back to ADHD Cookies. My name is Matt. And tonight, we're eating cookies and drinking Smoke Wagon. Oh, I just started my diet. I should eat them, but I shouldn't. But I should. Oh, cripes. I'm gonna eat them. That's fucking nice. For sure.